Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're answering a very common question. When does a divorce decree expire? It's a simple question with a surprisingly complex answer. The short answer is, the part of your divorce decree that legally ends your marriage never expires. Once a judge signs that decree, you are legally single. That status is permanent. You don't have to renew it. It doesn't run out after 10 years. You are divorced, period. But a divorce decree is more than just a piece of paper that says you're single. It's a court order that covers many different things, and some of those things do have an expiration date or can be changed. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about property division. The part of your decree that divides your assets and debts, like who gets the house or who is responsible for the credit card bill, is generally final. It doesn't expire and it usually can't be changed. Once the property is divided, it's done. Next is alimony, or spousal support. This part almost always has an expiration date. Your decree will state exactly how long alimony must be paid. It might be for a set number of years, or it could end when the person receiving it gets remarried or passes away. So yes, the alimony provision of your decree absolutely expires. Now for the kids. Child support and custody orders are different. They don't really expire in the same way, but they do end. Child support obligations typically end when a child turns 18 or graduates from high school, whichever comes later, according to your state's laws. Custody orders also effectively end when the child becomes a legal adult. Importantly, both child support and custody can be modified or changed by the court if there's a significant change in circumstances before the child becomes an adult. Here is the most critical part you need to understand: the statute of limitations for enforcement. While the judgment itself doesn't expire, your right to force your ex to follow it might. For example, let's say your decree states your ex owes you $10,000 from your share of a retirement account. If they never pay you, you can't wait forever to take them to court to collect it. Each state has a law, called a statute of limitations, that sets a deadline for collecting on a judgment. This could be 5, 10, or even 20 years, depending on your state. If you wait too long, you could lose your right to collect that money forever. So, the order didn't expire, but your ability to enforce it did. To recap, your status as a divorced person is permanent. The property division is final. But alimony has a clear end date, and child-related orders end when your kids grow up. And most importantly, there are deadlines to enforce payments you are owed. Your divorce decree isn't a document you can just file away and forget, especially if there are ongoing financial or parental obligations. I hope this clears things up. Remember, this is for informational purposes only and is not legal advice. You should always consult with an attorney in your state for advice on your specific situation. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more simple explanations of complex legal topics.